Okay, another request for Verge. Um, I wanted to add one more thing on this anyways. So here is what I had labeled before. Whenever you see price going sideways, you can label it as a complex combination. We had this as A, B, C, D, E for the Z. So again, we have a W, X, Y, X, Z. So we had A, B, C, D, E. Now, if Bitcoin brings the market one more lower low, the other way to look at this is to say, okay, instead of the triangle, what could be what we could be looking at is a zigzag as the final touchdown. A, B, C for the zigzag. I know that this is going to be very complicated for you guys, especially if you've never seen Ilya waves before. And this kind of complex combinations will take a while for you to learn. And just like anything else, first time is going to be very awkward. You might be like, what the hell is he talking about? Look at all those letters and colors. But generally, when price is moving sideways, you can look at this as an opportunity, label it as W, X, Y, X, Z. And this here is an ABC, a zigzag, the final zigzag. And if that's the case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for A, B, and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to make it a little bit messy, hurt your heads a little bit with the sublabels. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is an A, B, and then I'm going to get 5 subways for C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that completed an ABC for me, which are the subwaves of this white A. A, B, C. And I know how difficult it'll be in the beginning to try and follow. This is why I often say people who are very good in poker, chess, people who are very good in creative thought experiments, they can go zoom in and out between degrees of trends from these subways of the A. So 3 of A of C of A. That's 4 A's. So you got A, B, C, and this is A, B. B itself has 3 subwaves, A, B, C. And once that's done, you can say, okay, if this is an A, B, C of a higher degree, I'm sorry, if this is A, B, and C of a higher degree, this final C wave will have 5 waves remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. like so. Remember, just because I have this down here does not mean this is the target. That'll be silly. The reason why it's down there is because I have to stack my degree of trends. And by stacking my degree of trends, it's like I put the highest degree, next, next. Smaller degree, so I have micro, submicro, minuscule. So you got 3 degrees of trends. You have to zoom in and out mentally, back and forth. And to be able to analyze this, you have to be able to hop between 1 degree of trend, down 3 levels, back up 3, down 1. That's why people who are very good at conceptualizing abstract concepts would have this to be a lot easier time. People who are very good in poker and chess have a lot easier time doing this. So at the end of the day, what does it really boil down to? When price goes sideways, it's a moment of indecision. But not only that, remember the altcoins, when they go sideways, they eat time. They can eat more time. And if they eat more time, they will be able to fulfill and execute their hurry up and wait syndrome. But more importantly, I think these guys are looking for the leadership of Bitcoin. They are undecided. They are watching Bitcoin to tell them where to go and how to go and what to do. That is why I'm watching Bitcoin like a hawk to see where that direction might be. And my primary account right now says Bitcoin will have lower low with a very good potential. There is a scenario where Bitcoin will not have a lower low yet, where it can morph into a flag instead of a descending wedge triangle. And I'll be talking about that in a little bit on the next video for the evening Bitcoin update. Meanwhile, I hope your head didn't hurt too much on this one. Have a good night.